Okay, so I got these ripped down to 1 inch wide, 2 1/8 wide, and 1 inch thick. And now I'm just going to put a rabbet in there so that my drawer slides have a place to sit. Alright, so I know where this is going to sit. If I push this in here, I know that my drawer slide's going to ride right along here. So I'm just going to cut this part out, and I'm going to leave about 1/8 of an inch on the bottom as a lip for this to sit on. And you can see the other ones that I have in here. I wanted to make sure that this worked before I shared it. So we're just going to take out what I marked there. This is all waste. That's all waste. Okay, so I'm going to use a 1-inch drywall screw to fasten this and some glue on the back, and I'm just going to drill some pilot holes in here and countersink them down so that it's all flush. So I'm just placing them wherever. And these spacers that I had to cut the 1/2 inch to fill the gap here. I left the ledge and made the rabbet so that it would hold the drawer slide on there and I don't have to. So these will get centered there. Alright, so I got some regular 1-inch drywall screws. Going to put a little glue on the back of these. And the top of this will reference with the little lines that I made. So that goes there, nice and easy. Put a screw in. Now I go to put the drawer slides up. They just stay. I can fasten them wherever I want. Slide this out. Put my screws in. I know that it's level and I don't have to hold it. And this will stay in here. There's no reason to take it out. I'll just bring these all the way up flush with the outside of the cabinet and screw them in. So I think that's a great tip. It makes installing these drawer slides a heck of a lot easier. I'm impressed by this tip. You should be too.